Hello and welcome to Ninja Source. On today's video, we're going to look at how we can add a new payment account in our CloudBiz software. So first of all, we click on three lines on the top left side. Then we navigate to accounts. Then we click on list of accounts from the accounts submenu. After that, we click on add button on the right side. So add account menu will pop up. So all the fields that have asterisk sign with it, those fields are mandatory and you need to fill that. So let me quickly fill up. And under account type, you can select bank account. And if you have a single location, your location is selected by default. If you want to enter any opening balance, then you can do that as well. And after that, we'll scroll down and we click on save. An alert message will pop up to indicate that you have successfully saved your new payment account. If we scroll down over here, so here's our UBL new payment account. So that's all for today's video. Thanks a ton for watching and have a blessed day.